Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maggie Hardy. Hi, how are y'all doing today? We are going to get into the May BoxyCharm unboxing. This is going to be kind of like a try-on test trial unboxing type video, you know, just showing y'all what I got. Y'all know I'm not big on unboxings, and last month I did not do the unboxing because one, there were so many variations, and two, I kind of felt like they ripped us off last month and they were just trying to get rid of the extra inventory that were in their boxes, and I wasn't very happy with my box. So I didn't want to get on camera and be like, ooh, it's so good, you know. Before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love for y'all to join the party and join the family. We just recently hit 1,200, so that's amazing. So other than that, you guys, let's get into this unboxing. So the first thing I'm going to do is read the card, and this month is called Make Waves. I got variation number 1. First thing that I'm going to pull out is the Glam Glow Gentle Cleanser. This retails for $28. It comes in this beautiful holographic, and this is what she looks like. I'm very happy that I received a face wash because I was running low, and well, me and my daughter were running low. She likes to use all my face wash. I don't really know how I feel about this yet, just simply because the first time that I used it, it dried out my skin so much, and it says that this is a daily conditioning cleaner, but it dried me out. And then the second time I used it, I actually did a skincare video, and it didn't dry me out as bad because I was literally going through the motions. But the first time that I used it, I was in the shower. Once I got out of the shower, it felt like my face was so dry and dehydrated. But I'm going to keep trying it out, see how I like it. Again, this retails for $28. The next item that I see here is the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. This retails for $22. The packaging is absolutely adorable. I love, love, love their packaging. Comes with a nice little mirror. So these are swatched. You can see right here. I'm not a good swatcher. So like that's really orange, and then the pink, and then the more peachy color. And as you can see, I've already done pretty much my face. So I'm just, don't take a lot of product, I can see. And then the nose. Oh, it actually looks really good on the skin. I like the color of it, but I know that I will not get any use out of the two, the orange or the peach shade, unless I use them for more of an eyeshadow look. So this one I do like, of course. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Again, this retails for $22. Okay, the next item I am pulling out, this is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. This retails for $22. It's in the color Cupid, and this is what she looks like. It has a very beautiful pink with a green tone gold in it. It's very beautiful. How it's going to work on the eyes, I don't know, but we are fixing to test this bad boy out. I kind of feel like it's going to crease on me. Maybe we can get it laid down. I'm going to take a blending brush. Okay, I don't like the brush. So let's go in with our finger. Tap this out. I don't want to crease. We'll get into the rest of the box. We'll see how it sets. We'll see how it does. Okay, the next thing that I see here is the Bodyography Midnight Blue Eye Pencil. This is an eyeliner. Oh, that's a very, very beautiful color. So let's go in here and work some magic, yeah? Okay, I went ahead and put some in my waterline, and I'm going to try to buff this out just a little bit to blend it out. So this is it blended out. I love the color of it. The color is absolutely stunning. Especially for not a liquid liner, I really do like this. And I can see myself using this in the future. I'm going to throw on some lashes and stuff, and I will be back. Some kind of Ardell lashes. You can just get them at Ulta or your drugstore. And I think I forgot to tell y'all how much the liner cost, and the liner is $14. Again, I think it's absolutely stunning. If you can see, it has not creased. It dried down. It's not tacky. It is just absolutely beautiful. So you can go in with a cut crease, lay this down, put a little bit of glitter, more glitter on top of it if you'd like. The last thing that we have is a Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. I got the color Merlot. I've never tried their lipsticks. I've always wanted to try their lipsticks. So this lipstick retails for $18. It is kind of a mix between hot pink and a red. So gorgeous. Beautiful summer color. So we're going to test it out, see what it looks like, and I'll take my judgments from there. So I love the color. I kind of wish that I had a lip liner to go along with it because it did go into the creases of my mouth and I had to clean it up with concealer. It's very comfortable. It dries down pretty quick. It's not completely transfer proof, but it probably could be because it's still a little wet. But other than that, I love the color, especially for summer. And again, this lipstick retails for $18. So this is the finished look that we came up with for the box. I love the liner. The eyeshadow is not creasing and it's beautiful. The shift in it is gorgeous. I know in front of these lights you can't really tell, but if I were to go outside, you would really be able to tell. So I really like how everything turned out. The blush is beautiful. I love to wear a bold lipstick with just some big old fluffy lashes and just a contoured face. And I really like this color because it, like, for the 10th time, it's a summer color and it's very comfortable on the lips. The only thing I will not like about it, butthole lips. I don't like butthole lips. Okay, so the total of my box comes to $104, and again, you pay $21 a month for this. Next month will be the Boxy Luxe. After the Boxy Luxe, I will probably not be doing BoxyCharm no more. I'm going to go ahead and cancel it. I want one more Boxy Luxe, and then after that, I'm not going to do it no more. I am truly sorry to you because of the simple fact of they now have a channel and they do the unboxings on their channel. They do unboxings and surprises through emails, through their social links. So I kind of feel like everything is spoiled before we can actually get a video up. That's my intake on it. And if you like my BoxyCharm unboxings, let me know and I can definitely turn you on to more people that do such a great job unboxing the boxes. So I do apologize for that. And other than that, you guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to join the party and be a part of our family. We are growing. We are having so much fun. And if there's anything you want to see, anything you recommend, definitely let me know. I've been trying to really balance out my Instagram and my YouTube. I've been mostly on Instagram. So if you want to follow me over there and on Twitter, my links are down in the description box down below. You guys have a very blessed week. And I will see y'all later. Bye.